Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We are out here in beautiful Moab, Utah. Look at these mountains, man. It is gorgeous out here. We got a cool video for you guys today. This has never been done. Now, Defentex, when we got some body armor from them to test out, they asked us if we'd like to test out some other rounds they're working on for the 6.5 Creedmoor, and we were like, yeah. This is what they sent us. They sent us, this is a 90 grain called an HV1. These are armor-piercing 6.5 Creedmoor rounds. You're seeing it first here on Going Ballistic. Then we got the 127 grain. This is an EP1. And then we also are going to just show you what it's going to do on some of this armor plates here. This is a Hornady 120 ELD match round. So these things move pretty quick. Don't think it's going to go through these plates, but you know, stranger things have happened. We got different plates that we are going to shoot for you guys today. We got the RTS Level 3 Plus. Now this has a special coating. They wouldn't tell us what it is yet. Try to help with spalling. We'll see how well it holds up. We got the AR500A1 Level 3. And then we got this little one here. This is the Agilite Blindside 3 Plus. Now this one's rated to 7.62 by 39 BZ, which is an armor-piercing AK round, very hard to find round. That's what we're gonna shoot the 127 EP1 round at. Now, for this, we have a sniper friend of ours. Come on over, Nate. This is Nate. Him and Justin are gonna have a shootout today. We're gonna see if the sniper here can outdo Justin, who's behind the camera. Wave to the camera, Justin. He's back there. There he is. Hi. See who can actually get it right on target here. Again, we're gonna shoot one of these. So what's the little red tip? Does that mean it's hot?
No, it's just polymer.
Oh, okay. You know, I don't know these things. I'm just the guy behind the mic. Anyway, so we're gonna shoot one of those again to show you on this, the spalling, and then we're gonna shoot the black tips, blah, 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 and see who does the best. But at the end here, Nate, he's going to actually shoot that EP1 round at this, and we're going to see if it goes through. Now we do have, just to see if they do penetrate these plates, if they will go through one of those ICW level 3 backers too. So this ought to be a cool thing. You ready?
I'm ready.
You think you take Justin? He's a pretty good shot, man.
I'm going to smoke him.
Okay, that's what I like. Confidence, man, confidence. Let's get rolling.
We're going to be shooting my Savage Model 10 with the Harris Precision stock, rebarreled over to with a McGowan 6.5 Creedmoor barrel with a 1 1/8 twist. And we're going to be shooting Hornady ELDM 120 grain match. And here, sweetheart, will you hold that for me? Thank you.
Am I in your personal space? But I like it.
Probably.
Great. All right, the pressure's on me. We're the first to shoot 6.5 APs. I'll be the first to make a sniper cry. Jeez, the intensity over here is insane. Oh, it's making me shake.
Good job.
I think you need to get yourself some jorts.
I'll have to.
Okay, let's check this out. All right, come here, guys. You're making his face cute. All right, I think Nate is gonna have to,
I'm gonna buy some jorts.
You're gonna buy some jorts, or we're just gonna cut yours off of you. So that was cool, man. That's where Justin hit. And that's where our new jorts character just hit. So Not bad shooting. All right, that was a ball round. You guys ready for the APs? I mean, you can still redeem yourself.
We'll see.
All right, we'll put some different X's on here and you guys go with that. So
let's achieve some penetration.
Yeah, weirdo. Let's achieve some penetration.
All right, that's embarrassing. Gonna have to redeem myself. We'll see how these experimental bullets do. Luckily, I have my Lucky Charm next to me.
I do enjoy your comfort, but I'm basically using you for cover right now.
I'm okay with that. Cover me.
I got you covered. Look at there. Making me proud. All right, I gotta remember my holds here.
Use the force.
Barely get a cheek weld. I know if I barely touch this trigger, it's gonna go right off.
Oh, smacky.
Well, look at there, that's pretty good. So, clear. With all due respect, the only reason I was able to get as close as I did to the crosshairs is because he told me the proper corrections after he shot, so. Okay, let's go check it out.
Somebody's gonna be wearing a G-string, not jorts, let me tell you. Okay, come here, dudes. Justin is, he's putting a punishment on you on your own gun, man. That's not cool.
Well, we don't have to crap on him all the whole time.
Yeah.
We'll wait till he has the G-string on.
This is true. All right.
All for your pleasure.
Check that out. That's Justin's shot, and that's yours. What? I thought you were a sniper. You sure you're not like the water boy for a sniper?
Sometimes.
Okay, check this out,
Being
dude.
such dicks.
Not cool. These things, they punch right through, man. I have to check I didn't check the high speed that much, so we'll have to check the, oh yeah.
Wow.
We're talking through the level 3 ICW, and they are in the bag. There's nothing through there, so we might have to try to dig these things out later, so. All right. You're lucky we're not playing, you know, like shooting for stripper type, you know, spin the bottle, whatever. I mean, this guy's gonna be naked by the end of this thing.
Then I'll go second.
Okay, there you go, there you go. All right. All right, so next shot up, we're gonna try it against a different plate. So let's do it.
All right, so we're gonna do another 6.5 90 grain HV1 at a different piece of steel, just to re-verify our results. See if we can get the same penetration. There's another AR 500 A1 3+. Ooh, that one looks way low.
So now Nate gets to talk shit up there.
Oh crap.
All right, looks like we're busting Justin down a rank here. Check it out, guys. Okay, it did punch through the AR 500, but I don't know, what do you guys say about that, man?
Bullets do crazy things. He got his penetration though, so that's what's important.
Yeah,
That's all
man,
that matters.
that'll make him happy.
Exactly
Good game. All right, let's see if it went through the ICW level 3. I don't know, it's hard to say. There is a hole in it. We got anything to...
No, it didn't go
No,
through.
it didn't. So we weren't chronographing these rounds. We probably should have for you guys. You probably get mad at us. I'm sure we'll do some other tests with these at a later date, and we'll give you the speeds of these things. So it could have been a slow round. We don't know. But it did not penetrate this this back of this RTS. So, all right, that's pretty cool. All right, so now we're going to shoot that next plate. It is a ceramic. It's still rated at a 3. It is a standalone, but we're still going to put this other one behind it, which will raise the threat level a little. It is a BZ rated plate, so we'll see if it'll stop. You know, it is an AP plate, so we'll see if it'll stop this 6.5. Again, we don't know how fast these are going, but you'll have to catch us in another video. We will have some chronograph stuff for you. Let's do it.
So I'm going to be shooting the EP1 127 grain prototype round. Justin's off making me some jorts right now, so while that's getting done, we're going to be shooting this against the BZ rated side plate. We'll see how it goes.
Justin, you might be putting some big boy pants on, buddy.
Never.
Totally redeemed himself. Check this out. Man, I wonder how fast that round was moving. I'd like to know that. So good shot, Nate, right there. Right through the ceramic, man. And it was this one here. It blew right through them both, man. So that's in the sandbag somewhere. Well, I don't know. Let's check. It hit that sandbag pretty hard. Okay, no hole all the way through. But that was pretty good. Good shooting, Nate. Good shooting, man. God. You know what, man? This is your participation trophy. Yeah. So, Justin, man, stop playing with the flowers and get over here and accept your loss. I don't know. You guys comment below. Should Justin keep the jorts, or should he put some big boy pants on? So that was a good test, guys. Good job. You both did really good shooting, better than me. That's why I'm usually hitting the cameras, because I'm better at that than behind the trigger. Anyways, smash that like button, subscribe button. And we thank you guys so much for coming out. Thanks, Nate. Thanks, Justin. Not bad. Later. Anyways, thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. We really appreciate it. That was a lot of fun. Let us know in the comments if you guys want to see some more of those AP 6.5 Creedmoor rounds, and we'll get them on yeah, What? Somebody get me a Red Bull.
What was that water boy?
Good Lord, I know. Water boy coming. I can't even talk. Thanks for coming out, everybody. We'll be back.